Hey guys, welcome back. Just a quick video to show you how you can build a kit using free printables. Now these, we'll start with these because you've seen these before. These came from scrapbookingwithme.com, and they're just these beautiful Victorian ladies. On their blog they have free printables, and I thought, I wonder if you could build a kit around that. So I looked on Pinterest for free Victorian printables and found Victorian flowers or flower images that could work. I found these butterfly cards, which of course is very Victorian because they would keep moths and butterfly specimens, which could work beautifully because there are butterflies on a couple of those. I also found Victorian sewing ads on cards, so this could work for a sewing journal as well. Hey, this looks like the machine that we used to have. So, different cards, same thing on tags. Some more Victorian images here on tags. Some of them are the same. But they can be altered to use in a sewing journal or also a Victorian journal. And then I found these beautiful pages that can be put into a journal. This just shows some Victorian fashions that could be made. Then here's a Victorian bird image. Music paper with flowers and a butterfly. These Victorian images, they're romantic, but I was focused more on the way they were dressed. But the coloring is beautiful, and I figured they would look gorgeous in a journal, even if you did like a tall journal. Although I don't mind them if they're turned this way in a journal, or, you know, probably turn it around this way, or like this. I really like her dress there. A Victorian bird cage, which I've seen this image before, so it must be a pretty popular Victorian image. Some more butterflies. More birds with flowers and teacups. Looks like a scrapbook paper. More Victorian birds. Another butterfly image. More birds. More book page with flowers. So, would look beautiful in a journal. And then add that with, say, other book pages and some tea dyed paper or coffee dyed, you know, whichever it is that you prefer. And whatever other pages that you want to use, and you have a whole complete kit for a junk journal. And I'm going to leave those off to the side because that'll be the next journal that I make, because why not? I already printed the stuff off, so I might as well use them for a journal. So, yeah, just a quick idea. Basically, it just requires a printer and ink, and if you have like ink subscriptions from HP or Canon or, you know, any, I don't know if Brother printers have a subscription or not. But yeah, I have HP, and I just use the $5.99 a month one. So for $6 a month, I can get, I think it's like 50 pages, but I have like 300 rollover pages that haven't even been used yet. So, because, you know, whatever you don't use in a month rolls over, and I don't always print stuff off. So there'll be some months where I print heavily and some that I don't print at all. So, yeah, it's worth the $5.99 a month. You know, plus tax, it's like $6 and something cents that I pay per month for printing. So, lot cheaper than paying $60 or so at a time for ink. So, you know, for ink to only last for like 1 or 2 digitals, and then you have to pay another $60. No, I'm not doing that. Because with the HP subscription, I can actually print off like 4 or so kits before I have to change ink cartridges. And I have extra. They sent me way more than I'll probably ever go through this year. But I get, you know, new ink every couple of months. But, anyway, so yeah, just a quick idea that, you know, Pinterest, you can look up, like, wiki images and stuff like that. Pixabay is a good place for copyright-free images that you can use in your journals. I'm sure Flickr might be another one. Because I know some people post like freebies and stuff on there. So there are plenty of places that you get a plethora of pages that you can put together to make your own kit for junk journals or handmade journals without having to spend a lot of money. So, or any. So yeah. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys back here again really soon. Bye!